Ka Congress sa Meghalaya kala Pynkhreh syat-syat na Bynta ka Elekshon Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre hadin bu MLA ka than saling isang ma ula syajit no kumu MP ka parti Natura constituency. Haba pin banay ka new President ka Congress Uba Vincent H. Pala ula ithu paminta ka parti kala khot application na ki kertong ki bakwa ban airing ha ka te ka election.
Called for the applications, definitely there will be applications we will receive, and definitely Gambegre, we have called for the election, the applications definitely, but we'll entrust Honorable MP to make our candidate Bynta, and definitely he has a say whom he want to give a ticket. You definitely support whatever these things. But we have called for the applications. How many will apply? We are yet to receive the applications. That's why I said this is a must-win election. No, Shillong has to win this election. Conrad is putting his wife, he has to win the election. And Zenit is putting his sister-in-law, his wife and Mukul's sister-in-law. So it's a must-win election. So it's one of the most interesting, most contesting election in governance, I think, this time. So all the the big leaders, all the chief ministers, ex-chief ministers, the future chief minister will be contesting this time. Definitely,
I'm not putting up my wife.
So definitely we'll work very hard. But we are confident that we'll win it. The wave of Shillong is still there. We are confident that we should win it. Thank you.